Can you offer one mentoring through Skool? That's a question a lot of people have, and in this quick explainer, we're going to dive into how Skool handles mentoring, if it's the right fit for your needs, and whether there are better options out there. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you some alternatives that might suit your goals even better. So, can Skool offer one mentoring? Technically, yes, you can. Skool is designed around community and group interaction, but there's flexibility to make it work for one mentoring. You can use the platform to create private spaces for individual clients or students and communicate directly with them via messages, live calls, or posts. Next, let's talk about the features Skool offers for mentoring. Skool's main focus is on groups, creating a collaborative environment where members interact with each other. You could set up a private group for your mentee, but the true strength of the platform lies in its group-focused tools like discussion boards, course delivery, and progress tracking. Now, for those of you looking for a pure one mentoring platform, Skool may not be your first choice. While you can make it work, there are other platforms that are specifically built for mentoring. They might offer more tailored features that are focused on one communication, video calls, and direct scheduling, which could save you time and provide a more seamless experience. The fourth thing to consider is user experience. Skool is intuitive, but it can take a bit of time to set up the kind of personalized one space you might want. If you're used to systems like Zoom or personal coaching platforms, Skool might feel a bit more limited when it comes to individual attention and real-time interaction. Another important factor is the pricing. Skool is relatively affordable, especially for its group-based features. But if you're only mentoring one person or a few individuals, the cost might not be justified when compared to platforms with stronger one features. Think about whether the group-centric model of Skool aligns with your goals before jumping in. Now, don't go anywhere because at the end, I'll be sharing some fantastic alternatives that focus on one mentoring in a way that's more specialized for this purpose. The good news is, if you're still considering Skool for mentoring, we've got an exclusive offer just for you. Through our link, you can access a special free trial, plus exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. But before you make your decision, I want to highlight some options that are actually better suited for one mentoring. These tools are specifically designed to help you build those personal connections with your ments, offering features like video calls, easy scheduling, and more direct feedback loops. If you want to give them a try, these alternatives also come with free trials, so you can test them out for yourself and see which one fits your mentoring style best. Remember, we're linking to the best trial offers for both Skool and those competitors, so you get access to the best deal and the exclusive benefits.